How to deposit cash at a Scotiabank ATM. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to deposit a cash at Scotiabank ATM, I'll guide you through the steps that you need to follow. So make sure to follow each of the steps mentioned. Step 1 is insert your debit card. Locate the card slot on the ATM, insert your debit card and wait for the machine to retrieve your account information. After that is done, enter your 4-digit PIN and press on OK. And once your account information is displayed, select the deposit option. Confirm by tapping on OK. After that, choose the account where you want to deposit the cash. It could be your checking account or savings account. Then after, place your cash, which is the bill, into the slot where the green light is blinking. The machine will automatically pull in the cash. If the ATM does not accept the cash, remove the bill, flip it and reinsert it. Then after, tap on Add More section in the screen and repeat the process until the cash is accepted. Once the cash is recognized, tap on Deposit to finalize the transaction. Wait for the process to complete and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.